Anywhere that I go, give me that ooh, 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 ooh. Give me that ooh. I get what I want, I do what I please. I'm never gonna stop till I get what I need. Ready or not, give me what you got. Give me that babe.
We are brave, we are free, nothing's stopping you and me. We are the wild ones, we are the fearless. Now's our time to feel alive. We're chasing that golden sky, sky. 'Cause we are young and nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing can hold us back. We can have our fun underneath the sun. Underneath the sun. Underneath the
Looking in the mirror, who's she? Oh wait, that's me, that's me. Who's the pretty thing that I see? Hello? Yeah, that's right, that's me, that's me. I'm not trying to sound bougie, but I'm rocking it, VIP. I'm the one they're trying to beat, wanna get on my team. That's right, that's me, that's me.
Everyone who helped us out, that was cool because I was soaking my foot.
Yeah, dude, so if you guys didn't catch that, he got stung by a stingray and continued for 6 minutes in the competition.
You see, tag along and follow my lead. And you'll feel better, better. Sit back, relax, take a seat. It's my show, you can get in for free.
Oh my, my, it feels so good. It feels so good. It feels so good. Oh my, my, gonna make my move. I'm all in, got nothing to lose. Oh my, my, gonna shake it off. It ain't no thing. It ain't no thing. Oh my, my, doing what I want. Gonna do my thing. Do my thing. Way up high and take it low. I'm feeling right from head to toe. Light it up and let it roll. Here I go. Are you ready? Ready to go? Are you ready? Ready for more? Are you ready? Ready for me? Oh my, you ready? Ready or not, we going. And I can't stop. Are you ready? Ready for me? Oh my, oh my.
Take me to the fire and gold. I feel it down in my bones. Electric running through my soul. I'll never let it go.
Man, Sugar rips, and I gotta say, I love watching her. I mean, just do the most incredible things. And you too, man. Super stoked. So who do you want to thank? What do you want to say?
I just want to thank Tracy from Cannonball and thank Surf Dog Events and just thank you guys for all showing up here and all the cool people and just being considerate to the athletes, guys that have been in the water all day. You know, I appreciate that, so thank you.
Awesome. Well, we appreciate you, Ryan. We appreciate you, Sugar.
Yeah, so my name's Homer, and this is Skylar, the surfing dog, and she was born into the surf game pretty much since day one, and once we started riding waves together, you know, we're best friends, and we have a great time doing it. She loves it, and we love surfing together and bonding, riding waves together, and we have a great time, and she's also a surf therapy dog, so we're proud of doing that, you know, and helping others, you know, using surf therapy with integrated animal therapy as well. So it's pretty cool, and we have a good time doing that. And I want to thank everyone for coming out, and all of her fans and followers and supporters. We appreciate you. Thanks a lot. Hope you guys had a good day.
Can we clear the air? Am I to believe you, even if you don't? Is there anyone there? Clear lens and flash, take a photo. Strangers talking in the night. One looks away for a moment, collecting his thoughts. Finally made up his mind. Opens his eyes, and the other one's gone. It's a miracle. It's a miracle. It's a miracle. Caught on camera. Can we clear the air?
What a cool thing from, like, you know, abandoned on a highway to, like, first place finishing as a surf dog champion. That's so cool. I'm stoked about that. Well, you guys, I mean, I know we're all stoked because this is really, really fun. Oh yeah, what a sweetie. Oh yeah, please do give me this because I want it, yeah. Oh, she wants the water, provided by 10 Barrel Brewing Company. That's cool. Oh, there's cooler water. There might even be, because she just won. Actually, I'm really curious. I'm gonna ask you guys, what is what is Charlie's favorite treat after a hard day's surf?
Oh, he'll eat just about anything after surfing.
All right.
He likes
Well, then what is yours? Because I assume he just takes your carne asada burrito or whatever.
Charlie likes Wolf meatballs, and we like In-N-Out Burger.
Hey, all right. I'm into that. All right. How about this? What is your favorite after surf snack?
There's a sushi shop in Del Mar that makes a roll called the Abbey Roll, which has steak and tuna.
That sounds awesome and super dog friendly. I'm interested in that. That's awesome. All right, what's Derby's favorite after surf snack?
Hey, he doesn't really like to snack too much, so he just likes to sleep. So
Just like to sleep, a nap.
we're ready for a nap.
All right, well-earned nap. All right, well, you guys, you're probably tired of this, so I'm gonna end the podium. So we'll see you